Hello, I'm Serena and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a short video of me making another plague doctor mask. As always, I'll leave a link in the description below with the details of the pattern that I used. So I've cut out my pieces, as you can see here, following the pattern exactly. I decided to paint the edges on this mask. These are the products that I chose. A white base coat with a bright neon orange top coat. So this orange colour matches the acrylic eyepieces I shall be using later. That's lovely and bright. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be informed of any new content. So here you can see me sewing the bottom beak pieces together using a reverse cross stitch. And now I'll add the top beak piece to the pieces I've just sewn. Using a simple saddle stitch here to attach the two pieces together. Repeating the same process for the other side. Wow, looks fantastic. Coming together now and starting to take shape. Okay, so I'm going to add the forehead piece to the rest of the mask. Again with a simple 2-needle saddle stitch. It's now time to close the beak to complete the mask. Starting at this end here, I'll use a reverse cross stitch to close the seams. Again, if you are enjoying watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be informed of any new content. I'm sorry, I'm making this stitch look a lot more difficult than it actually is. finally. If you've enjoyed watching this video so far, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Great, so it's now time for me to close this final seam. As I mentioned earlier, I have bright neon orange acrylic lenses for the eyepiece. I've also marked holes as instructed in the pattern to ensure I attach the eyepiece to the mask correctly. By matching up the holes before I sew in place, again using a simple saddle stitch. Brilliant! How cool is that? Okay, time to attach the straps. Again, if you've enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be informed of any new content. Thank you for taking time to watch my video. Keep well, stay safe.